Welcome back to the channel, it's Nigel. Today I'm going to be giving you a demonstration on the Powrtouch Evolution motor mover. So stand by. Okay, what I'm going to show you now is the Powrtouch Evolution motor movers and how it engages onto the wheels of the caravan. Now, for those single axle caravans, if you're thinking of a motor mover, all you need is two. One on the near side here and one on the opposite side. As you can see, I've got a twin axle caravan and we've decided to go for the 4x4 motor mover. So we've got two motor movers on the near side and two on the opposite side, which basically makes life a lot easier. Now what we're trying to achieve here is to engage these motor movers onto your tyres. Now you have some stainless steel rollers here, as you can see, and all you need to engage those stainless steel rollers to your tyre is this wrench, which comes with the motor mover. So all you basically need to do is put the wrench there, extend the wrench, pull it towards, and that engages the stainless steel roller onto the grooves of your tyre. I'll show you that again on the second one. Engage the wrench, extend it, pull it towards you, and that attaches the rollers to the tyres. Now it's attaching the rollers on both sides. Now there is various options where you can have self-engagement, where it'll engage at the press of a button, it'll engage it for you. I prefer this method to do it manually. I'm now going to show you, once you've got this engaged and you've placed the handbrake down, you need to actually put the Powrtouch key, engage the Powrtouch key into the actual battery compartment to produce some power to the Powrtouch. And I'll just show you that now. Okay, this is where you engage the motor movers with the key. This is the key you get. It's a plastic key, and you can see it turns in here. What you basically need to do is you place that in there, turn it in the clockwise position, like that, and now that's engaged. Your motor movers is now ready to operate. Okay, you saw me engage the stainless steel rollers to the tyres. You also saw me with the key engage that into the battery area and switch that on. Last thing to do now is the remote control. This is the Powrtouch remote control now. It's very, very straightforward. It's a bit like your remote control at home. You've got two green buttons here. You press those together and the light comes on, which tells you that it's switched on, engaged and ready to use. Now, what I do like about this remote control on the Powrtouch is you've got like a diagram of like a caravan on the outside, and you've got three buttons at the front, which illustrates the front of the caravan, and you've got three buttons at the top, which illustrates the rear of the caravan. You've also got buttons on the left and right as well. Now, I feel without this remote control and the motor movers attached to our caravan, we would struggle to get this twin axle caravan out of the back garden and onto the driveway. I feel as well that when you get to the caravan park, whether you're going on grass, whether you're going on sand, or whether you're going on hard standing pitch like us, it makes life easy because you can maneuver this in any direction you want, and that makes life a lot easier. It also comes with a 5 years guarantee, which I think is really good. I spoke with Powrtouch at the caravan show, and whether you're in Scotland, Wales or in the northwest, they cover all over the country, which I think is really good. It's also backed by the NCC codes of practice, which is really good. It's safety, and they've looked at it and thought it's a very, very good product, and that's why we've got it. And we've got the 4x4 movers. So overall, I'm really impressed with this Powrtouch motor mover. And this is a quick demonstration on the motor movers. Okay, that was the Evo Powrtouch motor mover. What I'd like to say is thanks for watching the channel. Please like or subscribe. And finally, I'd like everyone to keep safe, look after each other, don't forget an elderly neighbour, and let's adhere to the lockdown and save the NHS lives. Thanks very much.